Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video, and this one is a tips and tricks video, and it relates to tips and tricks 21, a typical journey using the energy screen to improve your driving and improve your economy. The question reads, I have a 22ZR. I'm assuming he means GR, and he says, why can't I get the car monitor on it? By which I'm assuming he means the energy monitor. So, let me show you how to get the energy monitor on the big screen. I've got my phone plugged in at the moment. I'm Apple CarPlay. So what I'm going to do is go to the home page on my Apple CarPlay, and I'm going to touch the button that says Toyota. I'm then going to touch the button that says Info. There's the energy monitor on the big screen. There is other information in there. There's the little journey I've just done. There's my history for this tank of fuel. There's the energy monitor. There is another way into it. Let's push the home button. Unplug the phone. Let's push menu on the right hand bank of buttons, and once again you're presented with this screen. So I'm once again going to push the info button, which will bring up the energy monitor, history of this particular tank of fuel, and my trip information for this particular trip. So I'm hoping I'm gonna send the link to the gentleman who asked the question for this video, but that's how you get your energy monitor up on the big screen in the car, which equates to all the information you get on the center screen. And that one you find, so I'll go right to the top and I will scroll down to energy monitor. And that is one, two, it disappears too fast. Second, third, it's the fourth screen down. That one gives you your energy monitor, your tyre pressures, and the drive information for the journey you're on. Same information gleaned from the centre screen as you get on the big screen. I hope that helps everybody how to find energy monitor on the big screen. Please consider clicking like if you like these videos, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Subscribing to the channel will cost you absolutely nothing and give you all the updates I make on the channel, so you don't have to go looking for them. You will get a notification. Thanks for watching the video.